Hello, how is everyone doing today? From my understanding, your teacher has just started talking to you guys about clouds and has assigned you a homework that involves you drawing and identifying the different types of clouds that you see, and also defining what a cloud is. My name is Alexis Linares, and the purpose of my visit today is to hopefully answer those questions for you guys. And I'll do that by telling you guys what are clouds, what are they composed of, and what are the different types of clouds that exist. And at the end of my presentation, I will also perform a demonstration showing how clouds can be made. So what are clouds? A cloud is defined as a visible mass of condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere. They're essentially just tiny water droplets that float in the sky. So what are they composed of? How do they form? They are created essentially from water that evaporates from rivers, lakes, and this water vapor, as it goes higher in the sky, the air gets cooler, and this causes the water vapor to start sticking to things such as dust or ice crystals, and this causes a cloud to get bigger, and is eventually what is formed to be a cloud. Also, condensation plays a role, and I have a really good video for you guys to watch that really explains this pretty well. So, okay, so they just watch the video. So, yeah. So that's like a minute or two. So, are there different types of clouds? Yes, there are. They're usually characterized by their altitude, and the most common clouds are, as you can see right here, pointing to a PowerPoint. They're called stratus. They are the low clouds. Altostratus, they're the medium clouds, and cirrus, they are the high clouds. And as you can see, those are their corresponding heights. Also, they can be characterized by their shape, such as apparently stratuses look like blankets and cirrus look like feathers. So now, let's review. Clouds are essentially condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere. There's just a bunch of tiny water droplets. Clouds are made high in the sky. Cold water makes them stick together, which causes them to grow. Finally, clouds are characterized by their shape and altitude in the atmosphere. And common names include stratus, altostratus, and cirrus. Alright, and now it is time for my experiment demonstration. So I will need one volunteer. Okay. So what we have here is a pump, a glass bottle, and just some regular rubbing alcohol. So pretty much what I'll do is I'm gonna pour some alcohol in here, and I'm just gonna spin it like this, so I can get the the alcohol to start spreading around, evaporating. And now the reason I'm using alcohol is because it evaporates faster than water, and this is due to its weaker bonds. So now that it's been spread around, I put the pump into this hole I've made, and now I'm gonna pump it. And so the way this works is essentially water molecules are all around us in the form of water vapor, and when the molecules are just bouncing around in the atmosphere, they don't generally stick to each other. So the pumping causes them to compress. In other words, stick. And when we release it, it allows the air inside this to expand, which causes the temperature to cool, which causes the molecules to stick, forming tiny droplets. So now I will open this and we will see a cloud. Thank you very much.